welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome. I'm Vanessa and this is NessacxBeauty. Today's video is going to be an unboxing for a $100 beauty mystery box from Poshmark, and the owner of the closet is named Amy, and her closet will be linked down below so y'all can check her out. So this is a $100 mystery box and it's promised to be double the value, so that since this is the 100 one, it should be at least $200 worth of stuff in value. A little bit more about this box is that all items will be full size, and if there are sample sizes, they will not count towards the overall value of the box. All products are new and purchased within the last 3 months, and each mystery box will include at least one palette, at least one brush, a makeup bag, and a pop socket. So those are the details, and if you're interested in purchasing from Amy after you see my video, you can comment down below the listing that you're interested in and say that you were sent from my video, and she'll send you an extra luxury brand product. So that's a pretty cool deal. In addition to that, she wants to give away a $25 mystery box to one of my subscribers. So how do you enter? 1, be subscribed and have your subscription public, and 2, comment down below with what video made you subscribe to me, and you're entered. But stay tuned for the bonus entry. The giveaway will be ending May 8th, and I will contact the winner by May 9th. Lastly, before I unbox this, my friends Crystal and Kira have both unboxed 2 different boxes from her closet, and Kira did the $50 one and Crystal did the $75 one, so their videos will also be linked down below so you guys can get a gist of what comes in all of her boxes, because we all got pretty different things. But now we're gonna go into the unboxing and I'm so excited. As I am unboxing these products, the prices will be down here, so we can get a gist of how much everything is going to cost at the end. Everything in this box is individually wrapped, which is crazy. And just to let y'all know, this was like probably the hardest package I've ever had to open in my life. And the first item is the Mineral Fusion Kabuki brush. So I'm guessing that this is the one brush that is promised in the mystery boxes. And this is how this brush looks. It's huge. It looks like it could be like a powder brush. Okay, so that is the first item. To expedite the process, I'm not going to be showing unwrapping for every single thing, so we're just going to continue going that way. The next item in this box is the Puffy Eye Attack, and this is by Soap and Glory. The next item is the Too Faced Metallic Sparkle Lipstick, and this is in the shade That Girl. Let's see how That Girl looks. And this is That Girl. I'm gonna swatch it on my hand. The next item in this box is the Kat Von D Alchemist palette, and this is actually one of my friend Kira's favorite palettes, so I'm so excited to be playing around with this one. Next up in this box are Pacifica makeup wipes. Can never use too many makeup wipes, so yes. Next up is the pop socket that is guaranteed in every box, and this one's a nice purple galaxy kind of one. The next thing is the It's a 10 Potion 10 Miracle Instant Repair Leave-In. This is a sign, y'all. A sign that I should be taking care of my hair. Next up is the Huda Beauty Sapphire Obsessions palette. And this is actually another palette that Kira actually likes. So I'm excited to have this one because y'all know we've been on a blue craze recently, and I'm actually super excited to play around with this formula because I've never played around with her Bold Obsession formulas. Next up is actually a palette that I was looking at with my best friend Jessica, and this is the Too Faced Tutti Frutti palette. And it's crazy that I was looking at this and now it's in my collection. So what's up, Amy? Are you in my head? Because I was looking at this one, so thank you. Next up is the Makeup Geek Plush Matte Liquid Lipstick in Soccer Mom. And this looks like a pink that's right up my alley. Next up is the Kat Von D Everlasting Lipstick in Noble. And this is how it looks. It doesn't look like something I would put on myself, but this will probably be in a future giveaway. Next up is the Milk Makeup Witch Hazel Toner, and this is so cute. This is like the second ever Milk makeup product that I own, and I'm excited to try this one out. Next up is the Grace and Tonic Botanical Beauty Eye Serum. I need this for my dark bags because y'all know my under eyes are no joke. No joke. Next up is the Well People Bio Bronzer Cream, and I've never heard of this brand, so I'm kind of intrigued. This is how it looks. It looks like it'd be a good cream contour for my skin tone. Next up is a Well People Bio Extreme Lip Gloss in Berry Gloss, and this is how this one looks. I'm not much of a gloss girl, so this is probably gonna end up in a giveaway as well. Next up is the Butter London All Day Wear Smudge Proof Precision Tip Eyeliner. That was a long name, but this is how that looks, and I am an eyeliner junkie, so I'm excited for this one. That is how it swatches. Looks promising. Now I can't wait to try this on the eye. And then lastly, look at how huge this is. What? This is a Tartan and Twine makeup bag. It's like 2 times my face. But that is all that was in this box. We are all empty. And I am super excited to put some of these to the test and also give some of these away. So if y'all are still here, you get the bonus entry. So in order to get a bonus entry for this giveaway, you have to make a Poshmark account and then follow Amy on Poshmark. So after you're done doing that, come back to this video and comment under your comment of why you subscribed to me and write down your Poshmark username so I can verify that you follow Amy. But that is it, and thank you so much, Amy, for sending me this box and hosting a giveaway for my subscribers. I really, really, really appreciate it. And for those of y'all watching, thank you so much for watching, and I hope y'all like this video as much as I like creating it, and I hope to see y'all soon. Have a great day or night wherever you are in the world. Bye-bye.